Today I'm going to show you how to change the default download location in Google Chrome, step by step. This is a really useful setting if you want your files to go straight into a specific folder instead of the default downloads folder. It helps keep your computer organized, saves time, and makes it easier to find what you download later. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main menu where Chrome keeps all of its settings and tools. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. This will take you to Chrome's settings page, where you can adjust everything from privacy options to passwords and download preferences. On the left-hand sidebar, click Downloads. If you don't see it right away, just look through the menu on the left side until you find it. The Download section is where Chrome lets you control what happens every time you save a file. Now look for the Location section. This shows the current folder Chrome uses for all downloaded files. To change it, click the Change button next to the folder path. A file browser window will open, allowing you to choose a new folder on your computer. Browse through your folders and select the one you want Chrome to use as your default download location. You might choose a dedicated downloads folder, your desktop, or any custom folder that makes sense for your workflow. Once you've selected the folder, click Select Folder if you're on Windows or Choose if you're on a Mac. Chrome will now save future downloads to that new location automatically, and that's it. You've successfully changed the default download location in Chrome. From now on, every file you download will go to the folder you selected, making file management much easier. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.